saw this video, right? Ruby Roop at 3 a.m. Look at this clock. It says 3 a.m. Look at the clock. 3 a.m. Right. I did not change that clock. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the soda machine and buy a soda. And I heard a lot of scary demons in that soda. So we're about to see. Okay. Let's see if it takes $10 bills. Guys, that guy said good morning really early in the morning. No. He said good morning at I mean, Diet Coke.
This is PG-13. I will be posting this on Instagram for anyone.
It takes tons, doesn't it? Okay. There you go. Alright guys, so as you can see, the demons are not taking this $10 bill. See you guys in the next Ruby Roo video. Bye! Make sure Eli that is on your favorite anime. We are the anime of your favorite anime. Go. No! The demons are in here. Get him, Joy, get him.
So that's where the demons
Oh, it
are.
only takes 1 and 5s. It doesn't take 10s. Yes. No. $2. It says we have $2.
No, it says
if I have any
Colin,
money
you're
to-
smart. That says it costs $2.
No, it doesn't. It says $2.
It says $2.
It doesn't even say dollars. It says 2. All right, let's go, guys. We gotta go grab them. You gotta go grab them.